welcome to the Student Tracker app, an app that has been designed to enhance learner performance. Today we'll be looking into our third video on how test and assignment record works in the parent account. Remember, we are on our workshop series video on how to operate the parent's account in the Student Tracker app. These two sections are similar. How? What you see in the test record can be what you see in the assignment record. It just depends on the task that was posted. If it was a test, that means you as a parent will be notified that on such a day your child will be writing this test on this time, so you should be able to follow up with your child. So as assignment, you'll receive a notification that your child has received such a. Please follow up with your child on making sure that the assignment is being prepared and be ready by due date. So now as we start, you click on your menu button and then you go to test records or assignment record. So this is a sample. Let's say you see here on the subject it will be written that your child will be writing a maths test on this date and time, and then as you can see on marks, it's not yet recorded because the educator has to go child by child and update the marks after they've written. So on this section, teacher side, it will show you the teacher that teaches that subject. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on our next video on how online tutorial works in the parent account.